Sydney Sweeney's hidden passion, the actress who builds her own rides. When you think of Sydney Sweeney, you imagine red carpets, flashing cameras, and Hollywood glamour. But far away from the spotlight, there's a different side of her. A side covered in oil, dust, and pure passion. Born into a family of mechanics, Sydney grew up around the sound of engines and the smell of gasoline. While most kids played video games, she was learning how to use a wrench. That early love for machinery never left her. And one day, it became something much bigger than a hobby. Her first big project? A 1969 Ford Bronco. Old, rusted, and forgotten. Most celebrities would have sent it straight to a custom shop. But not Sydney. She rolled up her sleeves, rebuilt the transmission, replaced the axles, converted the brakes, and brought it back to life, piece by piece. When the Bronco finally hit the road again, it wasn't just a car. It was her creation. Next came her 1965 Ford Mustang, painted in a stunning Brittany blue. She calls it Brittany. The car became such a symbol of her style that Ford collaborated with her, launching a Sydney Sweeney x Ford Mustang GT, inspired by that very build. That partnership extended into her Dickies workwear line, a tribute to the women who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty. But her garage doesn't end there. There's her 1956 Ford F-100, a sentimental gift from her grandfather. A Fiat 500 Jolly, a cute, sky blue beach cruiser from the 60s. And even a Range Rover Sport for daily drives. Her first cars, a Land Cruiser and a Volvo, came from her grandparents. Proof that her love for cars was never about luxury, it was about legacy. On her TikTok, Sids_garage, she shares that legacy, teaching car basics, posting restoration updates, and reminding her millions of followers that passion doesn't care about gender. Sydney Sweeney isn't just collecting cars. She's collecting stories, history, and respect for the art of building. In a world where celebrities buy supercars for show, Sydney builds hers for the soul. Every bolt tells a story. Every scar on her Bronco's frame reminds her where it all began. She's not just restoring old metal. She's restoring what passion truly means. In a world of luxury and fame, passion still has a heartbeat. And it sounds like an engine starting up. This is Car Ninja, where every story starts with the drive.